some way to find Blizzard. I have an idea. What's your idea? Google! Beep, boop, beep. It says here on my smart device, my grape phone, that there's a positivity temple in Asia. Maybe that can help Blizzard turn good again. Wait a minute, where's the coin? Oh no! How am I supposed to climb that? I can try using fly. What? Dun! Wait a minute. I've heard that theme before. Is this a ripoff of Mario Odyssey but with coins? The second challenge says that I have to swing up there. Alright. Not that I haven't done it before. In episode 3, this was one of the choices. No! The coin is all the way over there! Ugh! What am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to use my dance abilities. My name is Snowball. I'm epic at dancing. Yeah, baby. Okay, yeah. Got the coin! Da-na-na-na-na-na-na! Oh, that's gonna be so easy. I can get that coin in mere seconds. Oh no! A big gigantic robot!
You will die, you will turn evil just like Blizzard.
Wait, who's Blizzard?
You don't know who Blizzard is?
No, I don't.
You may get the toy.
Yay! You see, kids? If you lie, you get everything. Hey, look! I found a coin! It's right over there. This is easier than the robot thing. I've always wanted something, do you know? Oh, this is the easiest grab ever. I mean, come on, it's a free coin. Wait a minute, what's that pink thing? Perfect! I got the coin! You'll be tasty. Like macaroni? Anybody who loves macaroni is a friend of mine. You're welcome in my humble cabin at any time. Thank you! Can I get the coin? Yes. The last coin's in there! But it's a big metal cage. Okay, great, I'm doing it. Oh no! I'm trapped in a metal cage! What will I ever do? Help! Help! Wait a minute, what's that above me?
I will turn you evil!
No! I can't be evil! I'm the best macaroni lover in the world!
You cannot escape this cage in any possible way!
Oh, really?
Yes!
The power of plot convenience can help me! Editors, do your thing! Oh, editors! Why, thank you. Now drop me. No, not over there! Advertised it as a positivity temple, not a positivity treehouse! Nobody's here. Well, might as well go in. Wait a minute, I hear a voice.
Snowball!
Where am I? And, well, I had a few questions for you.
I dwell here. You are in the temple of positivity. I know.
Correction! It's a treehouse.
I know why you have come. Your friend is evil.
How did you know? Are you a stalker?
Yes. You have came to the right place, but I cannot tell you the positivity. You must find the positivity inside of you. Find your son and use it on Blizzard.
Haven't we used this joke like 20 times already? I've climbed mountains, and I've even met a jungle cat, but now I found you. At last. What do you need, dork? I have a song to sing to you. Okay, roll the clip or whatever. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Snowball and Blizzard. Yeah, yeah. On an adventure full of unicorns. On an adventure with mac and cheese. Yeah, if you can't tell the difference, whoa, boo, boo, boo. Snowball is fluffy and Blizzard is grumpy. Da-na-na-na-na. The Snowball and Blizzard. Do, 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 do. Snowball and Blizzard. I remember. Snowball! We have to stop the evil robots now! Yeah, no kidding. Okay, robot. You turned me evil once and you're not gonna do it again. We found you at last. Yeah, and this time I'm gonna say hands up. Wait a minute, did I call him a Pegasus? Yeah, hands up, Pegasus! To escape. Hey, there's a zip line over there. Maybe I can use it.